If you look at Ramadan, what did we do in Ramadan? We literally deprived ourselves from many of the lawful things. We didn't eat and drink for 16 hours average. And food and drink is halal. And we're talking about halal food. We didn't drink water. We didn't eat anything, right? We didn't drink coffee, tea in that time of the fasting. Why is that? And what's the result of this on my relationship with Allah? When I deprive myself from the extras, I discipline myself. I discipline myself. Becomes more disciplined, meaning it will be easier for me to tell myself, to tell me, do something. So what do I need to do now? Yes, absolutely fast. Don't stop it. Don't make it the last ahd, the last time you fast was the day 30 of Ramadan. And the next time I'm going to fast again will be next year. No, we will go downhill. We will go downhill. Scholars of spirituality, they always teach us this, that getting closer to Allah and more spiritual is like getting up or like climbing or hiking. It's difficult. It needs exertion. It needs resolve. But the more you go up, the more energy you have. And the closer you get to the top. So fasting, don't make it the last time you fasted is day 30th. Why did I come to the fasting? Because don't go overboard in the mubah, in things that is lawful. We moved from 16 hours of no eating, no drinking, minimum sleep, and life going on and working. And you want to continue in the same spiritual momentum, then don't give yourself everything. Yes, in Eid we celebrated, alhamdulillah, and we ate and we had everything. Now I'm talking about now. Not fasting, but don't give yourself too much. They say, at-tawassu' fil mubahat. You have too much of the lawful things. 3, 4 kinds of juices. I will eat 3, 4, 5 kinds, 3, 4, 5 times a day. Let's not do that. Let's get less than what is normal for us. Don't deprive completely yourself, but less. Why is that? Because then I will have more control over my nafs.